Hello, this is Josh Galley at Green Scene Home Inspections. Here at this real nice home, doing the inspection, just kind of putting things together. And just so you know that it doesn't matter how pretty the house is, we still find things that's going on. As you can see, I'm here in the garage, and as I get closer to the floor here, you can see the crack in the floor, and it goes all the way up underneath the house, or through the wall there. And as we come inside, you can see the floor, how they repaired it as it's separated, and it goes on one side of the home all the way to the other side of the home. So obviously there's some foundation problems going on. And then as we go, we look up the wall, you can see the cracking of the mortar there. But these are the types of things that we'll find at Green Scene Home Inspections. Thanks.